This is an unboxing of the Amazon Basics Tall Kitchen Drawstring bags. Let's check it out. First, this is the 200 count, 13 gallon, made in USA of US and imported ingredients. 200 bags, 13 gallon, 2 feet by 2 feet, 3.5 inch, 0.9 mil. Amazon Basics, the basic idea. Highly rated products at low price. Let's see what's inside. There you go. There's your 200. Got 4 of these rolls, so 50 in each roll. Let's take a look at one of these bags. They seem nice and sturdy. All right, there's a quick look of what's included in the Amazon Basics Tall Kitchen bags.